Hi. So, like, I'm trying to do something new. I'm gonna show you, like, what I do. Well, something I recently discovered or experimented with. So, you're gonna need a blender. A blender. You're gonna need some coffee. Like, I think I could. To be honest, you can use like any, like, just instant coffee. You need some sugar. Some sugar. And some milk. And you're gonna need some ice, which is in the freezer because I don't want it to melt. Alright, so now after you wash your thingamabobber, shake it to no water. No water. Put it in. Now you're gonna open the coffee. I'm gonna pour it in, just like that. I'm sure you get all of it. Okay. As you can see, the coffee is in there, and now you're gonna add the milk. Oh, actually, I forgot something. I don't know how I forgot this, but I forgot something. We need a coffee creamer. So put that there. Now, for this to put in like a scoop and a half of creamer. Put it back, of course. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. Just a tiny bit. A tiny bit for me because I'm a fat ass. I'm gonna put in some. Don't put too much milk because you're gonna ruin the taste of the coffee. So I'm just gonna put. I'd say that much. You don't wanna overflow it. Turn off. Turn off. What? You close the milk. You take the top of the blender. You're gonna put top of the blender on. Turn on a transformer or whatever you need. And then you're gonna and see, now you get like this like frothy thing. Oh, my finger's in the way. I'm sorry. You got this frothy thing. Now this is where you get the ice. So let's get the ice. The ice that I made, I cut together, so you're gonna want to break it apart. So there's the ice. Oh gosh, I broke it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna like keep only a few pieces. I don't wanna overflow it. Like 3 things of ice. Just put the ice back. Close it again. Then blend it again. You're gonna want to get a spoon. So you can see, you hear the ice, you just need to mix it around. Just a little bit of ice. It's really frothy. That is good. You're gonna want to blend it for a little bit more time. You don't want the the things they do in some shops, like packed with ice, like you feel like the chunks of ice. You don't want that. Now you get your spoon again. Make sure there's nothing on the bottom. Mix it around, and you're good to go. You take your cup, your mug, and you basically just pour it out. I put too much milk on mine, but I guess you people are smarter than me, so, or you're smarter than me. And yeah, that's what you do. And if you want to, like pizzazz, I don't have any whipped cream, but get some sprinkles. You want to like decorate your. There you go. That's it. That's all. Peace out.